If you're looking for the best vacuum blender, then you're in the right place. I and the rest of the Kitchen Hacks team have literally spent days trying and testing all the best vacuum blenders on the market so that I can give you the most reliable recommendations possible. If you want to see where to buy each product mentioned, then check out the links at the top of the description box. If you want a vacuum blender that keeps your smoothies fresher for longer, but don't want to spend a fortune, this Oster vacuum blender might just be for you. This vacuum blender from Oster focuses on keeping your drinks fresh and nutritious with its vacuum technology that removes oxygen from the jar before blending, which means your smoothies stay fresh for up to 24 hours. This also helps maintain the vitamins and nutrients, making your drinks healthier and more beneficial for your body. The appliance comes with a powerful 1,000-watt motor that can crush ice and blend through frozen fruits and vegetables with ease. Its 5 pre-programmed settings make blending simple and efficient, taking the guesswork out of achieving the perfect blend every time. Whether you're making a smoothie or chopping food, you can rely on this blender's versatility. On the downside, a small minority of users have reported issues with the vacuum sealing system, but most people were very happy with their purchase. Overall, the Oster vacuum blender still offers a solid performance with its advanced features and might be worth considering if you're aiming for the freshest blends. Up next, we have the Pado Ozen 500 vacuum blender, which is a smart choice for those who value nutrient retention and dislike ingredient separation in their smoothies. The Pado Ozen 500 stands out with its vacuum blending technology, which significantly reduces oxidation, preserving more nutrients in your smoothies and juices. By minimizing air exposure, it also helps to maintain vibrant colors and rich flavors. Furthermore, you'll appreciate the additional vacuum storage container, which is perfect for keeping your blends fresh for longer periods. This blender's Hexa blade system ensures that your ingredients are smoothly and uniformly blended, preventing the bothersome layer separation often found in traditional blenders. It's particularly beneficial if you prefer a consistent texture in your drinks. Better still, the smart functions automate the vacuuming and blending process, making it easy and convenient to use. While it's not the cheapest product on the market, I don't personally consider it overpriced, given the impressive technology and convenient ease of use on offer. Checking in at number 3 on my best vacuum blender list, we have the Breville Vac Q. For those looking to upgrade their blending game, the Breville Vac Q is a versatile accessory that provides smoother textures and richer flavors in your blends. If you love making smoothies, pestos, dips, or soups, the Breville Vac Q can elevate your blending experience by drawing out the air from the jug before you blend, giving you vibrant and creamy results. Setting up the Vac Q is a breeze. Just attach it to your compatible Breville EQ blender and it's ready to go. The vacuum pump ensures that your blends are smooth, with colors and flavors popping more than ever. You'll appreciate the convenience of the Vac Q's automatic shutoff feature. Once it's done removing the air, it turns off by itself, so you don't have to worry about timing it perfectly, which is ideal if you're not quite a blending wizard yet. Now for the runner-up. If you're looking for a good vacuum blender that delivers professional-grade results, the Tribest Dynapro is a solid choice. This blender has a robust 2.5 peak horsepower motor that can handle even the toughest ingredients, making your smoothies ultra smooth and delicious. The vacuum sealing technology really stands out as it reduces oxidation, preserving the nutrients, and enhancing the flavor profile of your blends. You'll find it particularly convenient with its one-touch vacuum pump and easy-to-operate preset programs. These features make it simple to customize your blending tasks, from smoothie prep to making purees and soups. The large 64-ounce container is great for medium to large batches, so you can make enough for the whole family in one go. One downside is that the unit is quite large and heavy, which can make it cumbersome to move or store. Additionally, it's on the pricier side compared to other blenders, though the commercial grade quality justifies the cost in my opinion. Finally, the vacuum pump requires battery replacements, which adds a minor recurring cost. All in all, the Tribest Dynapro packs a punch with its high-speed motor and smart features, delivering a premium blending experience that's hard to beat. So, what is the best vacuum blender that you can buy? Honestly, this one's easy for me. While the other vacuum blenders certainly perform well, the Void Systems Complete Vacuum Blending Solution is my #1 recommendation. This complete vacuum blending system comes with a powerful blender base that can blitz through even the toughest ingredients, ensuring that your blends are free from annoying lumps and clumps. Better yet, the Void Systems lid, which is designed and made in the USA, preserves the vital vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and enzymes from your produce, which results in a much healthier drink. Also, anecdotally, drinks from the Void Systems blender seem to taste much richer and more natural compared to those from other vacuum blenders. You can see how the liquid is less separated, less foamy, and is bursting with color compared to the mess created by traditional blenders. I also like that the company makes special vacuum blender lids for Vitamix and Blendtec models, meaning that if you already have a quality blender base, you can just buy one of their reasonably priced lids to start enjoying the benefits of vacuum blending right away. But if you're looking to get into vacuum blending with a new machine, then I highly recommend investing in the Void Systems Complete Vacuum Blending Solution, especially at the current price, which is pretty reasonable considering the greatly enhanced nutrient preservation and taste on offer. To save a full 20% on any of the Void Systems products, you can use the discount code KITCHENHACKS at checkout. You'll find all the links and the 20% discount code in the description box. And there you have it, the best vacuum blender that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying a vacuum blender, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, if you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more blender videos